Hello guys, in this video I will be discuss about the muscles of the posterior compartment of the arm.
This is the part 3. Posterior compartment of arm.
Posterior compartment of the arm. Our posterior compartment has only one muscle which is called tricep. Tri means three and sep means head. इस मसल के तीन हेड है. ट्राइसेप. फर्स्ट हेड इज लॉन्ग हेड and second one is lateral head and the third one is medial head. Tricep has three head. First is long head and second one is lateral and the third one is medial head. For the detail of the triceps origin and insertion, I will draw a diagram of the upper limb. This is the posterior view of the scapula. This is the anatomical neck. This is the greater tubercle. This is the lateral lip of the greater tubercle and this is the medial tubercle, lesser tubercle. This is the medial lip of the lesser tubercle. And this is the medial epicondyle of the humerus and there is the olecranon fossa and this is the lateral epicondyle of the humerus. Here our ulna will be attached. ulna की जो olecranon process होती है वो फिट होती है into olecranon fossa of the humerus. This is the radius and this is the posterior view of the upper limb. Long head will originate from the infraglenoid tubercle. This is the infraglenoid tubercle. Long head will originate from the infraglenoid tubercle. This is the long head. This is the long head of the triceps brachii. This is the long head and there is the lateral intermuscular septa. This is the medial intermuscular septa and on the posterior surface of the humerus there is a groove. This groove is called radial groove. This is the radial groove or it is also called the spiral groove. Radial groove also called the spiral groove. Our first is lateral head. Long head originates from the infraglenoid tubercle and this second one is lateral head. Lateral head will originate from the upper part of the spiral groove, just upper to the spiral groove this long head will originate. This is the long head. And third is medial head. Medial head will originate from the lower 2/3 part of the posterior surface of the humerus. There is the origin of the, this is the origin of the medial head of the triceps brachii. This is the medial head. Meet together and form a bulky muscle of the posterior compartment of the arm. This muscle is called triceps brachii, and this will insert into the superior surface of the olecranon process of the ulna. This is the superior surface of the olecranon process. This will make a tendon, and via the tendon this muscle will insert into the olecranon process of the ulna. This is the insertion of the muscle is on the superior surface of olecranon process of the ulna. This is the olecranon process, and this triceps brachii will insert into the olecranon process of superior surface of the olecranon process of the ulna. And nerve supply of the triceps brachii is radial nerve. Radial nerve is the branch of the posterior cord of the brachial plexus. Posterior cord. Root value is C5 to T1. This is the root value of the radial nerve. And action of the triceps brachii. This muscle will help the extension of the elbow joint. This muscle will help into the extension of the elbow joint. Extension of elbow joint. Extension of the elbow joint. Long head of the triceps originate from the infraglenoid tubercle. This is the long head. And lateral head will originate from the just above the spiral groove. This is the spiral groove. This is the spiral or radial groove, and above the radial groove, this is the long head, origin of the lateral head. And below the spiral groove, this is the large triangular origin of the medial head of the triceps muscle. And structures passes from the spiral groove or radial groove. This is the radial nerve, and the second structure is profunda brachii artery. This is the profunda brachii artery. Profunda brachii. Profunda means deep, brachii means arm. मतलब मसल्स को सप्लाई देगी कौन सी, डीप मसल को सप्लाई देगी कौन सी आर्टरी, प्रोफंडा ब्रेकाई आर्टरी. एंड नर्व इज द रेडियल नर्व विच इज द ब्रांच ऑफ द posterior cord of the brachial plexus. Root value is C5 to 8-1. So this is the all about the muscles of the posterior compartment of the arm, this which is triceps brachii. If you like my work, then please like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you very much.